for you. All we need is hope. And for that we have each other. And for that we have each other. We will rise, oh, we'll rise. We'll rise, I'll rise up, rise like today. I'll rise up in spite of the ache. Times again, and we'll rise up. I like the waves. We'll rise up in spite of the ache. We'll rise up, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. Thank you po. Hello po sa inyo. Thank you po sa mga nagpa-follow sa akin. Thank you so much po sa mga nagpa-follow. Thank you po. Please help me reach 18 point. Ano na ba? 18.5? Please help me reach 18.5, guys. Please, thank you so much. Please help me reach 18.5. Thank you, Chris. Thank you so much for the heart me. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Keep tapping the screen. Thank you, Ate Rhea. Uy! Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Thank you for nagpa-follow. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. I'll blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean. Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Thank you, JB. Sleep in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. And its own world is a new world, and a whole world for me. Movie, kaya nga eh. Mga tugtugan dati eh, no? Thank you, JV. Thank you so much. Stars when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. New dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new dawn. Tama ba to? Yay! It's a new life. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Thank you so much, Davey. Thank you for all the gifts. I'm feeling good. I feel so good. Okay. Busy pala ang ano. Okay, it's okay guys. It's okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so magpaparequest na ako ngayon guys. Thank you po sa mga nagpo-follow. Request na ako ngayon. Okay, go guys, request. Request. Invite natin mamaya si Pep. Tumaas sa live. Joke lang. Joke lang. 7 years. Sige. Mukhang alam ko yan, Jing Jing. Wow, first time yun ah. Pero hindi ko rin alam. Greatest love. Greatest love. Statue. Statue. She's gone. Last one. Last one. Last one, guys. Last one. Alone. Ayos na. Ayos ang ano natin, no? Request natin. Cheese gun tsaka alone. Parang tuwing umuulan. Sige. Magstay yung mga naka-ano yung mga naka-request. She's gone, tsaka alone. Makita niyo na ako, nakaganyan na ako pagtapos ko kumanta. She's gone. Magstay yung mga nag-request ha, para marinig niyo. Tuwing umuulan daw. Kala mo, di ako napili. Eh kuya, wala ka namang request kasi. Akin na. Eh hindi ko alam yung akin na. Ako, Madge. Ikaw. Ako. Kuya, ano yung ikaw ulit? Ako, ikaw na, ako. Kuya, ano dun? Sabi mo, ako na, ikaw na. Anong kanta yun, kuya? Kuya, naguguluhan. Ikaw kasi yan. Ako nga, ano meron sa akin? Ano meron sa akin? Ikaw nga. Sino ba talaga, kuya? Kuya, parang ang dami. Trailer sa mga picture ko. Mayukon ka pala kilig ko dyan, pero okay lang naman. Maganda pa rin. Ikaw. Ikaw daw. Sa second set na yan, kuya, ikaw. Game, 7 years daw. Once I was 7, yun ba yun? Tignan mo, parang hindi naman yun. Okay, let's start the first set, guys. Thank you so much. Please follow me, everyone. Thank you po sa mga nagpo-follow at sa mga nag-help sa akin mag-reach ng 18.5. Thank you po. Thank you for following me. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Sana 7 na lang ako ulit. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make this teddy figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Thank you so much for follow. Keep tapping the screen, guys. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about the glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun, when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old.
Hello, Miyuki Official. Hello, everyone. Please follow me. Thank you so much.
I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, I ladies knows in favor. And if I don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Hindi ako magto-20. Ayoko. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled along the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Ayoko nang mag-30. 20 nga, ayoko 30 pa. I'm still learning about life, my woman, children for me. So I can sing them all the songs and I can tell them stories. Most of the boys are me, some are seeking glory. And some I had to leave behind, my brother, I'm still sorry. I'll be 60 years old, my daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made the man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope the children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Well, I think the world is cold. Oh, well, I had the children who can warm me. Soon I'll be 60 years old.
20 nga, ayoko. 60 pa kaya. Ayoko na.
Soon I'll be 60 years old. I think the world is cold. Oh, well, I have a lot of children who can hold me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Thank you so much, JV. Thank you so much. Thank you. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Tama na, baka maging 100 pa to. Ayoko na. Tapos na. Once I was 7 years old. Baka maging 100 pa to. Ayoko nga mag-20. Tapos umabot tayo sa 60. Ayoko na. 200. Tama na. Tama na. Okay na yung 100. Huwag na natin pabutin 200. Thank you, RM27. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa mga nagpo-follow. Thank you, guys. So, our next song is Greatest Love of All. If you wanna listen to Greatest Love of All na version ko, wow, version mo? Talaga ba? Ayan, stay lang kayo and please follow me as well. And keep tapping the screen lang, guys. And if you wanna hear your song request, just stay till the end of this live. Till the end of this live. Okay, go. Wait lang. Okay, this is Greatest Love of All by Whitney Houston. Grabe, Whitney Houston tayo ngayon. Oo. Thank you po sa mga nagpo-follow po sa akin, ha. Salamat po. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead away. Show them all all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us that we used. Thank you po sa nagtatap. Everybody's searching for a hero.
Kuya Boy Beats, missed you.
Someone to look up to. I never found anyone to fulfill my needs.
Thank you, Kuya B-Boy.
A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on you. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can take away my dignity. Bakit, Captain? Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest.
Hello! Thank you, Kuya JV. Thank you so much for JV. Thank you so much.
The greatest love of all is easy to achieve.
Thank you, Kuya JV. Thank you so much.
Oh, I need
Thank you, Kuya Boy Beats.
yourself. It is the greatest love of all.
Thank you, Kuya Boy Beats.
I believe the children are our future.
Thank you so much po.
And let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Oh, give them a sense.
Hala! Thank you, Kuya Gamerzone. Grabe sila, oh. Thank you, Kuya Gamerzone. Thank you so much.
Laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me.
Thank you, Pai.
I found the greatest love of all inside of me.
Yes, Asher.
The greatest love of all is easy to achieve.
Thank you, Asher.
All I need to love to say, it is the greatest love of all. And if by chance a special place,
Thank you po. Thank you. Please follow me, guys.
you've been dreaming of,
Thank you for following me. Thank you po. Thank you, JP, for the rose.
lead you to a lonely place, find your strength in love.
Hello to all the viewers. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for tapping the screen. Thank you for those po na nagpo-follow and nagpa-tap, and for all the song requests. Guys, thank you. And for all the gifts, grabe, thank you po sa inyo. Salamat po. Thank you po for all the support, guys. Magpapa-request po ako later. As of now, puno po ang ating second set. So, meron po natitirang 3 songs bago po tayo mag-third set. So, sa third set, may isa pa lang song per Papa-request uli ako later, okay? So if you want to request later, you can stay and wait for the third set. But yeah, if naka-request naman na kayo sa second set, make sure to stay para marinig yung request niya, okay? Thank you po. Thank you po sa mga nagpo-follow.
Madge, may request ako. Ano, mag-invite na naman na maganda. Bahala ka dyan. Yan na naman kayo, tapos sisiraan nyo lang ako sa kabila eh. Ayoko na. Hello po sa 200 viewers. Thank you po sa mga nagpa-follow. O, di ba? Sabi ko ni. Bahala ka dyan, Kuya Heartless. Tapos, sisiraan mo ako. Ayoko na. Sinisiraan mo ako sa kabila eh. Okay, for our next song, Statue. Alam niyo ba yung Statue? Statue. I'll do my best. I'll try my best. I'll do my best to sing this song ng ng maganda. Okay? Okay. Ba't ako naiiyak? Bakit ka naiiyak? Bakit ka naiiyak, Asher? Okay lang yan. Kung hindi ka okay, manood ka lang ng live ko. Magiging masaya ka dito. Mag-request ka mamaya. Basta hindi nakakaiyak ka. Yeah. When the day is said and done in the middle of the night and you're fast asleep, my love, waking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. So many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life. Why you take such hold of me? Still trying to get my act right. What is the reason when you really could have any man you want? I don't see what I have to offer. It should have been a season, cause you could see I had potential. Do you know you're my miracle? I'm like a statue stuck staring right at you. Alger, my track's so amazing, you take me back. Each and every time I love collapse, statue stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, everything, it's just cause I can't believe that you're so beautiful. Don't wanna lose you, no. Cause we're somewhere with me after all that I put you through. But did you make it hard so with me? It's like you're living in an igloo. But baby, all of a sudden what makes my shield melt down? Sige, kaya mo yan, Match. Make me come around. What is the reason why you can live anywhere you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been a season, guess you could see I had potential. Do you know you're my miracle? I'm like a statue, stuck staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks, so amazed how you take me back. Each and every time I love collapse, statue, stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, every time I disappoint you, it's just cause I can't believe that you're so beautiful. Don't wanna lose you, no. You're so beautiful. Don't wanna lose you, no. Every single day of my life, I thank my lucky stars for willing to spend extra time and it's called tend your heart. Cause there's no explanation can solve the equation. Sorry po. Myself, I'm like a statue, stuck staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks, so amazed how you take me back. Each and every time I love collapse, statue, stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, every time I disappoint you, it's just cause I can't believe that you're so beautiful. Don't wanna Ay, meron pa pala. I'm the luckiest man alive. Yun. Sorry na guys, hindi ko pa siya... Ngayon ko lang kinanta to, huwag yun lang ko i-judge. Ngayon ko lang kinanta to, kinapa ko lang talaga.
Sinking.
Thank you po. You're welcome. Attendance, guys. Attendance. Attendance, everyone. Keep tapping the screen. Pose. Pose. Ah, pose pala yun. Akala ko... Funny. You're funny. You're funny. Oh, yeah. Such a funny joke, guys. Pose. Babae. Babae. Mahina yung sound. Real ba? Baka malakas lang po yung mic ko. Yung naan ko konti. Hi. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much. With boys. Boys? Wala eh. Babae lang ako dito eh. Wala akong kasamang lalaki. Ako lang dito. Bakit may boys? Ah, boys ba yun? What a funny joke! Like, I'm a joker, guys. Please. Please laugh, guys. Thank you po, Virex20. Thank you po. Salamat po sa inyo. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. What a funny joker, right? Ako lang eh. Kamukha mo si Ann Curtis. Ang layo naman, Ann Curtis. Oo nga, ang layo naman daw, sabi ni Jan. Wait lang. Ano ba gagawin ko? Teka kasi baka may hindi ako na ano eh. Kim Chu. Kim Chu? Actually, kasing payat ko si Kim Chu sa personal. Nakita ko siya sa personal, sumali ako TNT. Ay, isa pa ba? Uli, isang post. Kasing payat ko si Kim Chu. Mapayat si Kim Chu sa personal, guys. Sexy ah. I mean yung mapayat na sexy ah. Katunying. What a funny joker. Joker ka ba, Jelly Ace? You're such a funny. You're such a funny ah. Tama na. Kanta na tayo. Uy, mag-top-top naman kayo. Parang huling kita ko dyan 50, ngayon 52. Hello everyone, please repost my live, share my live. Please repost my live and share my live, and please tap the screen, and please follow me as well if you want to request a song later. Go lang guys. Just make sure to stay, okay? Sa classroom may batas. Bawal lumabas. Pero pag sinabing pag. Game na. Tuwing Umuulan by Regine Velasquez. Woo! Requested by O-Cakes and Galaxy. Okay. Let's go. Joke lang po. Ina naman tayo sa Galaxy na yan. Baka mamaya mapasayaw ako na walang oras nito eh. Nawala sa oras nito eh. Okay. My next song is Tuwing Umuulan at Kapiling Ka by Regine Velasquez. Di ko po makakapantay si Ate Reg, pero naway magustuhan niyo po ang kakantahin ko. Thank you po. Pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting pumapatak sa mga halaman, mga bulaklak. Ha? Bakit? Galing ni Mami. Hindi, pero mahirap hanapin. SR mo na lang, mahirap hanapin. Sabi ni Mami sa akin, wait lang, stop mo yan. Kasi ASR ko. Wow! Na para bang siya lang ang nanonood. Wait, ASR ko, wait. Okay na ba? Okay na ba? Okay na? Sabi niyo, wait, ASR ko, ulitin mo. Sabi ko,
Color speech.
hello everyone! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting pumapatak sa mga halaman, mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan ang dilim, unti-unting pumapalo sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda. Kasabay rin ng hangin kumakanta. Maaari bang huwag ka na sa piling ko'y lumisan pa, hanggang ang hangit mula'y tumila na. Buhos ng ulan na aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pagkakos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyab. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, pagmasdan ng ulan, unti-unting tumitila. Ikaw rin magpapaalam na. Maaari bang minsan pa mahagkat may duyan pa sa tubig at ulan lamang ang saksi? Minsan pa ulan, bumuhos ka, huwag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo may bagyo, dalangin ito ng puso ko. Sumasamo, pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y umihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, maaari bang minsan pa mahagkat maiduyan pa sa tubig at ulan lamang ang saksi? Buhos na ulan, aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso ko nagliliyab. Pag-ibig ko'y maapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, minsan ba ulan, bumuhos ka, huwag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo may bagyo, dalangin ito ng puso kong sumasamo. Pag-ibig ko'y maapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, Thank you guys. Hi, Discipline. I am so sorry. I can't notice you earlier. Kasi naka-screen record, so hindi kita manotice. But yeah, hello Discipline. Hello. Galing, wow, thanks Will. Ayun. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Sorry guys, hindi ko kayo mahayan kanina. I can't say hi earlier since naka-screen record yung nanay ko. Siya ang batas. Sa classroom may batas. Thank you, Sang! Okay. For andito po ba yung nag-request ng alone? Kasi sayang naman kung hindi niyo maririnig yung alone. Ay, andito. Ate Aya! Okay, for our next song alone, mapapalaban tayo sa alone. Mamikat mo yun sa dulo ah. Thank you. Hi, Ace. Ewan ko rin. Baka yung mga mukha, wala nga nang tinanggal ko na yung mga mukha. Hindi ko pa natatanggal? Hi, Queenie ko! Taken off the clock, I'm lying here for room speech talk. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. Taas nito ah! Kaya natin yan! The night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end though. Alone. Till now, I always go by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Thank you, Micah. You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. You don't know how long I have waited, and I was going to tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. Alone. Yun na ba yun? Yun na ba yun? Yun na yun? Ay, ulit! Ulit. Akala ko hindi pa yun yun. Hi, Aki! Ulit. Alone. Akala ko hindi pa yun. Paulit-ulit. Until now, I always go by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Dapat na ba akong lumipat sa mundo ng mga alien? Please follow me, guys! How do I get you alone?
Thank you po. Thank you po sa nag-request ng Alone. So, guys, I need a ZR break. Hi, Zelen. I need a ZR break. So, if you guys can wait for our next set. For our next set, guys, pagbalik ko, papa-request po ako ng song. So, if you guys can wait, makaka-request kayo ng song. Okay? I need to pee. Okay? Wait. I'll be back.
Wala pa ako ba kanta-kanta sa nagsasalita.
Nagbuhos ka na. Nagbidiyak mo. Ano na naman? Yung sabi niyo, alam niyo kayo, wala na tayong ano, wala na tayong ano PBB ah. Again, request na kayo songs, guys. Pictorial po, Kuya JP. Ay, Kuya JP. Yun lang. Carousel? Ano? Hindi indang. Pero, tansa. Wait lang, guys. Andito na, kuya. 4 songs, guys, tatanggapin ko. Ipaglalaban ko. How do I live? Wait lang po. Wait lang. Wait lang, guys, ah. Wait lang. Medyo nalilito ako. Nawala. Break free. Break free. How do I live? Hindi ko po alam yung full song ng Can You Feel. Sorry po. Mahal ko o mahal ako. Yung mga hindi ko pa po masyadong nakakanta yung ina nilalagay ko ha.
Mahal ka po, Kuya Nico. Kanta ba yun? Akala ko nagtatanong. Andito na, Kuya. Sige, request pa kayo dalawa. Ay, isa na lang pala, isa. Last song. Andito ako. Saan po? Saan pong lugar po? Saan po nandito? Saan po, Miss Jaja? Saan pong lugar po kayo? Saan pong nandito po? Sige, lagay natin. Nandito ako. Sabi siguro ni Miss Jaja, baliw ba to? Kanta yun. Kanta yan, no. Kuya Nico, yung mahal ka po. Suggest ko lang. Kanta rin yun. Okay, okay. Kainis. Kanta na nga tayo. Ano guys, 80K. Kanta tayo. Uy, mag-ready na po yung magro-roleplay mamaya. Kasi kakaiba po. Kakanta po kayo. Ready lang po yung mga magro-roleplay mamaya kasi kakanta po. At sumakit pang ako. Ako nga hindi natawa, masakit pa rin pang eh. Kuya JP, how are you, Kuya? Ayan, 80K na. Okay, for our first song, ikaw. Hindi po, ako po yung kakanta. Hindi po ikaw. Kuya Piu, pakilinaw nga po. Ano pong ikaw? Ikaw po kakanta? Ako. Yung kanta yung ikaw. Sige. Okay. Ito po yung ano ng ikaw, ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Yun po ba yun? Tama po ba? Yan po yun. Boy, Kuya JP. Ulit. Maasa na ano kayang silbi nung patungan ko? Thank you, Aki.
Covers PH.
Maka-oo nga naman to. Parang may alam siya. Okay, keep tapping the screen, guys. Hello, everyone. Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal. Tugon sa aking dasal. Kuya Ram. Upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko ikaw. Kuya Gio. Ayun, dito pala. Wala pa pala. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking bundok. Buhay ako. Kabiyak, Kuya Gab, itong puso ko. Walang ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y may papalit. Ngayon'y kailanman ikaw ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi Nahulog na si Jingjing. Sinong tumulak? Kulang ang magpakilan pa sangliay upang muli ang mahalin ay ikaw. Walang ganun yun sa dulo. Tinatagdagan mo na naman ang adlib eh. Okay po. Wala na, tapos na. Buhay na uli si Kuya Ram. Ang lakas ng trip niyo sa comments. Ang hirap mag-focus. Okay guys, for our next song, Break Free. Hoy, mag-tap-tap kayo dyan. Break Free. Wala akong ma-joke dito ah. Ito po yung yung Break Free po, yung I want to break free, I want to break free. Yun po ba yun? Yun. Ulit. Di ako nakapost. May aura yan sa una. Okay? If you want it, take it. I should have said it before. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend anymore. Ariana Grande ako sa takali, oh. I only wanna die alive. Never got ahead of a broken heart. I don't wanna hear you lie tonight. Now that I've become who I really am. Ariana, this is the part Naging robot siya, naging robot siya.
Say. Akala ko naging robot tayo. Di ba? Okay, for my next song, How Do I Live? Ano lang po, ganito po. Di ba po, pag ano po, hinga ka po. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Kasi po yung oxygen po natin. Opo. Kailangan po tayo inhale, exhale lang po para po, how do I live daw eh. Ganun lang po. Ano po, pabubuhay na po kayo nun. Opo. Mm-mm. Okay po. Okay na po? Okay na po. Okay. What a funny joker. Oh my gosh! There's a pufferfish! Nakaka-laugh ka, right? Oh my gosh! You're so funny! Like, oh, grabe. Okay, how do I live po? Hinga lang po. Hinga lang po tayo. Opo. Ha? Ikaw na lang. Ikaw na lang. Thank you po sa mga nagpo-follow.
How do I get through one night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, well, baby, it will take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live?
Gumagana yung prayer. Kapag mo dito sa akin. Teka lang kayo, sumapit ng ulo. Ikaw mag-ano ah. Ay, sana.
And well, baby, I don't know what I would do. I will lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, well, baby, you would take away everything real in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh how do I, oh how do I live? Please tell me baby, please tell me baby, asan ka, asan ka, asan, ay wala. How do I live? If you ever leave, well baby you would take away everything. Did you good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? Do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live? Ooh, how do I live? Ooh, how do I live without you, baby? Ooh, Tsura mo. Kainis.
Baliw! Oh! Si Kuya Gamerson yung nag-request sa sinapoy mo lang. Kuya Gamerson, baka sumama yung loob mo. Kung ano na pinagagawa ko dito.
Si Gamerson pala. Manager G! Manager G pala.
Nagutuyo kay Manager G. Wala tayong sweldo niyan.
Mag-lipsync ka pa mo po yung singer. Kailangan uupo ka rin.
Wala tayong persyento kay Manager. Hindi daw tayo magaling. Okay, for my next song. For my next song, mahal ko o mahal ako. Kung ako po, feel ko po yung mahal po ako. Kasi mahirap po magmahal pag hindi ka po mahal. Kasi, alam mo yun, isipin mo, pag ganyan, hindi ka mahal. So, mas maganda yung mahal ka. Diba? For our next song po, nandito ako. Saan po uli? Saan po yung nandito po? Saan po uli? Ayan. Thank you po. Tapos na po yung set natin. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa set natin. Kanta ba yun? Kanta pala. Kanta. Sorry. Okay. For our next song, Mahal Ko o Mahal Ako. Hindi ko po alam. Personal na buhay niyo po yan, Kuya Nico. Game na nga. Naranasan mo na ba magmahal? Oo naman. Naranasan ko na magmahal. Grabe yung pagmamahal ko sa pagkain ko nung huli. Tapos kinain lang ni Marcos ng Angel's Burger. Dalawa kayo sa buhay ko at ako ngayon ay kailangan na mamili. Isa lang ang maaari. Kuya Maku, kung narito ako laging para sa'yo, mahal kita ng labis, ngunit iba ang iyong nais. At siya'y narito, alay sa kiwagas ng pag-ibig. Nalilito, lito. Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko? Anong paiiralin ko? Isip ba o ang puso ko? Nalilitong, lito. Sinong pipiliin ko? Mahal ko o mahal ako? Tanong po natin mamaya si Kuya Mako, okay? Kung sino po kay Kuya Gamerzone at kay Nico. Di ako ang mahal mo kung mananatili ako sa'yo ay matutunan mo rin na ako'y iyong ibigin. At kung sadyang siya'y tapat, baka sakaling pagdaan ng araw, matutunan ko rin ang sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko? Oh, anong ba iiralin ko? Isip ba o ang puso ko? Narilitong, litong sinong pipiliin ko? Ang nais ko ay maranasan ang umibig at masuklian din ang pag-ibig.
Hello, Miss Melrose.
Sino ang iibigin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya ba? Ano ba iiralin ko? Isip ba o ang puso ko? Litong. Sino pipiliin ko? Mahal ko.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. Subscribe. Covers PH.
Nag-i-emote ako, tapos biglang may ganun. Thanks for watching. Wala na, napaganon na ako. Ano ba yan eh? Okay, for our next song, nandito ako. Saan po? Saan po? Okay, for my last song, nandito ako po. Nasa ano po? Cavite po ngayon. Ang hirap ng ano? Nahawa na kasi. Ganyan ba talaga humor nyo? Nahawa lang kayo sa akin. Baka ako nahawa sa inyo eh. Kasalanan nyo lahat to, guys. Mayroon ako. Ulit. Hello, mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Mic check. 1, 2. Mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Onti pong echo, kuya. Mic check. 1, 2. Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. Matagal akong naghihintay. Mic check, 1, 2. Ngunit mayroon kang ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin. Gayang kay, ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Everybody say! Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugaw ang puso. At kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Kasi Mr. Bean version. Hintayin mo mamaya. Hintayin niyo mamaya magkakaroon tayo. Mr. Bean version of Nandito Ako. Okay? Kung ako ay iyong ibigin, di kailangan na mangamba. Ready na po si Mr. B na. Pagkat ako ay para mo alipin, sa iyo lang wala nang iba. Ngunit ngayon, mayroon ka na ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin, ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo, ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Everybody say, nandito ako, umibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugaw ang puso. At kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako, oh, nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagburuga ang puso. At kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Nandito ako.
Okay, that was my last song, guys. Thank you so much po sa mga nag-stay, sa mga nag-tap-tap, mga nag-request ng song. Salamat po sa inyo. So I think I'll be having PK. Pero ayun guys, tomorrow magkakaroon po ako ng birthday live. So siguro mag-note ako ng early. Magkakaroon akong birthday live. So update ko na lang kayo sa time. Tsaka raffle, bukas po natin gagawin yung raffle. Okay? Ang kalikasan. So I think magpipk ako, but I'm gonna charge my iPad. Para pag roll play, may charge yung iPad ko and magagamit natin mo set. Okay.
Supang.
Charge ako.
Oh.
Kailangan ako ganyan siya kasi. Ay, di pala kaya. Mga ano ma?
Naka-ano naman yan,
Sure ba?
nakatali. Malambot naman. Sabi mo ngayon ha, Korean ka kasi mukha kang Chinese, mukha kang Koreano.
Hello. Kalang.
Pangalan mo, Shoot. Hun. Shoot.
Korean ako. Kunwari manika, di ako nagalaw. Ni hao!
Korean, ni hao. Chinese yun.
Alam mo, laging nag-skip yung mga ka-PK ko. Paano?
Annyeonghaseyo. Ganyan.
Jenny Kim Chansu. Funny, you're such a joker talaga, Jolly Ace.
Annyeonghaseyo.
TikTok, wag mo ako bigyan ng maganda. Sinisiraan ako ng mga to eh. Hi, Clev! Mahinaan mo yan.
Nag-check sa atin iPad. Ay, ano ba yan?
Hello po. Hi, Maria. Wow. Ay. Umalis siya. Umalis si Maria. Umalis siya.
Hello po.
Ang dilim mo, kuya. Ang dilim ni kuya. Naka-live sila Ate Riri? Kasama sila Ate Wida?
Saan?
Uy, totoo ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Real ba? Tingin, check mo.
Ano ka nakita? Sunjomoin ka.
Hindi eh, 4 na sila eh. Patingin nga, sino ka live? Ako nga. Sinong ka live nila?
Ay! Binuksan mo.
Okay. Naka-live pala sila. Okay. Okay.
Already match pa request. Tapos na request song. Sabi ni Cleb.
Sorry, Glev. Tapos na ako kumanta. Lag sila, lag. Yung magaganda. Sana walang maganda. Sinisiraan ako ni Kuya Heartless. Lag. At hindi.
Ang kailangan talaga ng police. Oo nga, ganun yung pinag-aaral nyo doon, pero di naman natutupad yun. Naniniwala ka?
Nawala. Yung maganda sana. Wag sana
Ganda pa
maganda.
naman oh. Nawala.
Nawala, guys. Uy, di ko sinadyain. Nawala.
Wala, ganda ni ate.
Hello. Ay, bakit nawawala?
Yan na. Yan, maganda.
Hindi ko pinipindot. Nawawala. Sa akin ba? Tapos naglo-loading lang sila sa akin. Real? Nawawala. Si Kuya Ram lalabas lang pag... Si Kuya Ram lalabas lang pag may pag may maganda. Pero kanina di nanonood.
Just ang inang ganda. Oh my god, it's so
Where are
pretty.
you from? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines!
Yes. Where are you from?
Rote dahil. Gumising na yung kaluluwa niya.
Where are you from?
You're lagging.
Oh my god. Oh, we don't have signal. You're so pretty, by the way.
Oh. Thank you. Ang lag. Oh, guys, ang lag nila, be. Sa akin ba? Sa akin ba?
Sa akin hindi sila malag.
Oh no! So it's my fault.
Nagdalag sila sa
Wala.
akin.
Wi-Fi
Oo, nag-lag
namin. Mali ako. Sa akin ng lag. So,
Tingnan
paano
mo.
gagawin namin?
Mamaya-maya lang yan. Ganyan naman pag
Ganun muna ako.
Hindi naman lang.
Ой, блядь, ёб твою мать. Будете играть? Hello.
Hello.
Play?
Hello. Do you speak English?
No.
Ano siya?
Sorry,
No?
I don't know.
Ano siya?
No? Are you Japanese?
Japanese?
No. Kizilvarda.
Where are you from?
Are you
don't know,
Japanese?
короче.
Are you Japanese?
No. I don't know.
Korea?
Where
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Me? Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. I'm from the Philippines.
Привет. I I mm, I English 50-50.
Oh. I see.
How are you? How are you?
Warrior. Нет, у меня нету реки. Чё она до меня докопалась? Я не знаю английский. Я не знаю, что ей ответить. Я думаю, я вообще не знаю, что ей ответить. Она мне что-то задает. Я короче, 50-50 English. Короче, я что-то 50-50, короче. Нет, Мака, она меня не понимает. Я просто ей привет сказала, и она мне типа, ничего не ответила, и я ее сейчас отключила звук. Поэтому она меня не слышит, и я ее не слышу. Давайте послушаем, что она говорит сейчас, я ее включу.
Gayken kasi chirod.
Pirot.
Bonjour.
Thank you for the gifts, guys.
Блять. Что с ней? Кого я вообще пригласила?
Tama di ka imuntanan.
Parang ngayon lang ako naging mahiyain.
Makateatro siya. Dapat kinantahan mo.
Она красивенькая такая, ничего. Да боже! Привет, Азия! Нифига на меня много кто подписался, короче. Уже 2 подписчика плюс и то из-за эфира. А, наверное, думаю, я чё, я тупая, что ли? I'm sorry, I don't know English. My English 50-50, короче.
It's okay.
Excuse me.
Dapat kinantahan mo lang.
Привет, Ксюша. Oh, yeah. Me, I love dogs and cat.
Ooh.
1 second.
Dog from Pintumantahan.
We have a dog. His name is Pew Pew.
Papakita niya siguro sa
My dog.
Ang cute!
Oh, so cute! Hello! Oh, dogs and cat! I see. Thank you so much. Thank you for the
Ganda.
PK.
Hi.
Bye-bye. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
excuse me. Not to love you. Me block you.
Naka-muted ako sa kanya.
Ha?
Naka-mute ako sa kanya.
Bakit?
Hindi ganun talaga yun. Pwede mo kasing i-mute yung ano.
Ah, okay. Kasi nga, hindi ka rin niya
Kasi
maintindihan eh.
may yung language barrier nga. Hala! Hala ko, may naano ako, napindot ako.
Ano naman? Well,
Ako ba yung log? Or... Ay. Ayaw nila. Hindi ako, sila. Ayaw nila. Ayaw nila sa akin. Naiyak na ako.
Oh, to si Jewel. Jewel, hi Jewel.
Para mabunawan ka ulit.
Hi.
Tawalay.
Shoutout po.
PK.
Tawalay. Ah, peki ko. Hindi,
PK.
kaya
PK.
Ano,
Okay,
ano?
peke,
Where you
okay.
from?
Ako di ka.
Where you from?
I'm from Marawi. Taga-Pantar kami.
Sorry?
Hey,
Sorry?
where you from?
Taga-Pantar kami.
Sorry?
Tawalay, ito na yung pagilan ba? Ano naman na,
I love you.
I can't understand your, ano. So, guys. Anyways, I am from the Philippines. Oh, yeah, I'm from the Philippines.
Yeah,
How about you? How about you? How about you?
I'm here in Canada. I'm here in Canada.
Ah, Canada? You're from the, Tarko din ng mga, hindi tanong din.
Ang ingay. Ingay nila ko yun. Di ko maintindihan eh.
Sa'yo yung ano.
Ulit tayo guys. Sorry. Hindi ko maintindihan eh.
Yeah. Hi. Hi. Te, karanahin ka namin, te. Karanahin ka namin.
Sorry?
Karanahin ka namin.
Sorry? What is Haranaho?
Fish, it's called serenade. Serenade.
Oh, serenade. Oh, okay.
It's okay. By the way, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Korea. I'm a dancer. I can dance.
Ah, you can dance.
You
Go.
sing. Yeah, you sing. I'll dance.
Sure. I think you dance.
Okay.
It's done. The song was done. It's over.
Oh no!
I chose another song. Don't worry. I chose another song.
Yeah, can you choose an
I will-
upbeat song so I can dance?
Unsay
Upbeat
ano?
song.
Ano?
Can you choose a song that I can dance to?
dance. So that she can dance. Wait. Ay. Ay, you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Samira.
By the way, how old are you?
What is your name?
I'm Daniel
I'm
Padilla.
25 years old.
I'm 23. That's me. Yes.
What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Daniel Padilla. Daniel Padilla.
Oh,
You you want to song this song? Yes.
oh,
You know
yeah.
the song? Yeah. You can dance
Okay,
with that.
I'll dance.
Sure. Sorry. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She's losing her makeup. Brushes her long blonde hair. And then you ask me to look alright. And I said yes, you look wonderful tonight.
Galing mo, kuya! Ang galing! Ang galing ni kuya!
Kanina, te. Typo ka, te. Nagsabi ka ng ano kanina. Yes. Sa kamid, ah. Everyone turns to see to this beautiful lady
Thank you. Sammy,
walking around with me. Te,
Sammy,
balik ka
am
na
I the
kanina, te.
beautiful lady?
Yes.
Sorry, I can't understand Tagalog.
Wow. Lala.
I can't understand Tagalog.
Lala. Yes. I feel wonderful tonight. Ay, streamer ka, no?
Oh,
Ah.
no. I'm not a streamer.
Ano lang? Gamer.
No.
Gamer?
I'm a dancer. That's
Show me. Not just I want you will stand up and dance. Not just only hand. You're dancing with your hand.
Thank you for the
Yan.
DK. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Nauto mo ko, ah. Nauto ako.
Kahit anong
Ang
Tagalog
lag
ka,
nila.
English pa rin siya ng
Bakit
English.
ang lag nila? Paano po ba ayusin to? May nakakaalam po ba paano ayusin yung pagkalag po nila?
May
Rely.
spark. Sabi
Paano
ni
po
Gio, may,
ayusin to?
may spark daw sabi ni Gio.
Paano po to ayusin? Yung pagkalag po ng live. Medyo hindi na po nakakatuwa eh.
Relive nga.
Wala, re-relive ako. Mawawalan ako ng views.
Post mo.
Post, tas repost.
Huli ka naman ng ganyan eh. Sabi niya,
Lag pa rin eh. Lag pa rin. Lag pa rin eh. So magre-relive ako?
Remark.
Magre-relive ako no. Lag eh. Sa akin, oo, ang lag. Sobra talaga. As in, hindi ko sila maano.
Relive ka na.
Paano ba gagawin ko? Hi, RJ. Teka lang, sige. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Tanggalin ko kaya charger. Baka ito yung nagpapalagi.
Oo, try mo.
What if? What if?
Private ata, post, then exit.
Yun nga po, ano ko eh. Ginawa ko kuya eh. Nasa iPad kasi ako eh.
Baka mainit na device mo.
Hindi naman mainit.
Sa case. Naka-case.
Charge, tapos baka mainit. Baka kanina yung naka-charge ka, try mo, wala tinanggal.
Pasikat ka. Sikat ka rin.
Pasikat din kayo. Ano, balita? Kadami? Ano, G?
Ang lag nila, naglo-loading. Naglo-loading sila sa akin, promise. Naglo-loading lang sila sa akin, te.
Lumabas naman ang mukha.
Hindi nga, sa inyo nga, pero sa akin nga, naglo-loading.
Mag-relive ka na lang.
Pasok na lang kayo, re-relive na lang.
Your warmth